Hi, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my affiliate marketing info channel. In this video, I'm going to review a new product called the Pocket Profits. Pocket Profits will be launched on this and Thursday, August 12th, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's take a look at what is this product is called about. What is this product Pocket Profits is all about. It's also a training course. It will be training by the Philips and all Philips is one of these very famous super affiliates. Maybe also you can call it 5% super affiliate in the world. And also he will teach you how you can get his training. In this training course, will teach you how he get so much free traffic from one social media platform, Instagram. Instagram is owned by the Facebook, but it is also the much more very hot social media platform, and you can see some of them and Instagram follower, influencer, maybe have and 10,000. Some of them maybe have 1 million follower. They do not put some effort to promote anything. There's also they will make a huge profit. If you there's also a very hard huge, but you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to a huge follower in Instagram. This at night and that my Philips will show you inside is the video training course. Is also to start with the brand new Instagram account and has some secret hack how you can use secret hack to promote his some about the program and how you can see in the sales page. There's also and there's also his formats then is the proper live on the powerful a total newbie defender system that stop us all is a secret exposure explosive system that put in $453 per month on autopilot in 6 seconds. It's also a extremely extreme friendly beginner friendly. It's also a real instant master because Philips is the master of Instagram. How you can get this real proof and also to income proof. It's also that you can get unlimited buy traffic because you don't have to pay anything and you can how you can monetize and secret ad from Instagram by following Philips strategy. So if you are interested, there is something interested in the free traffic and also to get more list follower and sales just for the free traffic from Instagram. If there is something interested in that, please stay with me because I also have seen and more exclusive formula in order to help you to skill your and also to explore your result and also to make more money in different ways. So before I jump into the bonus page, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to turn on the notification bell. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smash the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. So let's jump into my bonus page. If you get the Pocket Profit, you will get and 9 bonus if you pick up the front end. Bonus there's also how you can get 1,000 Instagram follower in 3 days. If you have more follower, Instagram follower, there's also you can have the more targeted audience. You can also to promote to them any offer you want. Just how you can get 1,000 Instagram follower in 3 days. Bonus 2 10K storyteller formula. How you can use the tell story that you can make money. Bonus 3 is Instagram marketing course scope. There's also the guide to teach you discover the best way to market on Instagram that actually works. Bonus 4 is my Instagram story cheat sheet. There's also the how you can Instagram story to 10x your engagement and sales. Bonus 5 I will give you a training course. There's also like $0 to $100 in 24 hours. Bonus 6 I will give you another training course, High Ticket Hero. This also includes 14 videos that will teach you how you can get flow of traffic and promote high ticket programs. It's also the high ticket program is also you can get most of them you will get 15% commission, and most of them you will get paid almost $500 per sale. This also you can get, and not only that you will get $100 a day, and also you can get almost $500 per sale. Bonus number 7, I will give you the free affiliate program that you can sign up for free. What will benefit that you can make multiple stream of income. This also you can use also to make multiple income, and also you can promote any affiliate offer you want. And the best part, you can also integrate with your autoresponder. You build your email list and also to build your downline as well. Bonus number 8, I will give you a free video training course that is also decided by the 8-figure super internet marketer that he's offered 10 years experience about affiliate marketing, email marketing, and the best part, you do start up his free training course, and you have the transfer as a bonus that you can attend his weekly live training course that you will and learn more about affiliate marketing, email marketing. In his live training course, you will have so much free stuff that you will give away. You can also to help you to make more money online. So don't miss out. If you grab this product and use, I highly recommend you to sign up for his free training course. Bonus number 9, you can also to join Facebook group for free traffic and free traffic training. After you join this Facebook group, I highly recommend that when you can take a look their system. This also, I don't want to sales hype. You can also to join. I highly recommend you to take a look their internal system. You don't have to pay anything. It's free to sign up. When you sign up, you have they have the system. Have tons of high quality video training that will teach you how to step by step set everything up and how you can drive traffic and how you can make money in different ways to make more money. It's also to free organic traffic and also how you can make money. So I highly recommend it when you join this Facebook and you can take a look there and you make a system. You can then also to create your free account to join his system and you can have tons of training with you will step by step how you can drive traffic and make money in multiple streams of income. Also, if you pick up any upsell and downsell, I also included more exclusive bonus. OTO bonus is my LinkedIn auto post machine. There's also that you can just authentic, you can create promotional campaign on LinkedIn also and other social media platforms. Also the business to business. There's also that you will get a high quality. The list of the many features available in script will certainly give you a more quick experience. OTO bonus tool, why those social share and locker, it will bring you more exposure on all the social media platforms. You will have a viral on demand multiple sharing button, different speed follower business on social media, different social content locker. OTO bonus here, I will give you a WordPress for Work Transformer. That is also all in one. The WordPress pop-in and pop-up function is also transfer your website into the lead generation. You also to build your bigger email list. OTO bonus 4, I will give you 25 100 emails. This is also for your email marketing. OTO bonus 5, I will pick puzzle book the profit and included 9 videos that will teach you how you can publish Amazon and Amazon low content book on Amazon. It also can help you to make extra money as a side hustle. OTO bonus 6, I will give you an exclusive bonus package that includes 5 packs. Free training course, free marketing software, free report you can download, freebie you can download, and free website you can register. A list of the over 10 website you can have, and you can also to register all of them and to see which one is suitable for you. All of them all of the free website will help you to make more money online. OTO bonus number 7, I will give you the blogging profit, how you can discover how you can create profitable blog today. OTO bonus 8, 30 days to bigger email list. Also you will have a plan how you can build a bigger email list in 30 days. And also you will get all my exclusive bonus that will be delivered to you inside the Warrior before the countdown timer hits 0. Simply click the link below in the description. The first thing you will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, when you click this any blue button, and you will direct you to the sales page. When you scroll down, when you purchase this any yellow button and purchase pocket profit through my link, and you will get all my exclusive bonus that will be delivered to you inside the Warrior automatically. When you purchase this, you will have a purchase detail and you can see the little blue button and you click this button and you will instantly access all my exclusive bonus. But if you purchase any upsell and downsell, you will get my other OTO bonus. Okay, I also will move to the membership. Before I jump into the membership, just for reminder to don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smash the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. So let's jump into the members area of Profit. Profit is also that you can also to see that in the upper bar is also have a difference and a 10x. This is also the up. This is also the all of the upgrader. If you have purchase, then you can also to purchase the upgrader inside the members area. It's also welcome. This is also the Philips have a welcome message. 30K, 35K, 37, 43K in 7 days. Also you can invite to and attend his webinar. Welcome by the Donna is also going to have a video from Donna. Is my one of the partner. Before we get started, is also and Philips will talk about and the first thing before you will never fail. It's also all about your mindset, how you can fine-tune your mindset to be successful. The main training is also about overview and proof. There's also the overview. There's also have an overview and also to some of the proof and how you can get money and also to get money and list. Create your Instagram account. How you can create a new Instagram account. Logo for your account. How you can create eye-catching logo. Which everyone to look for your Instagram profile. Logo is very important. You can also to do it for them, or you can also to outsource to do this for to decide a logo for you. This is also the very cheap, just for under $10. You have a very eye-catching logo. Copy other people. That's also how you can copy other people contact, and you can also to reuse their product. You use other people contact. You also to use this to repost on your Instagram post. It's also and you don't have to worry about to put your face because Instagram you don't have to just like usually you post for Instagram users to and post your image. That's how you can copy other people get successful image and also to repost them similar get similar result. That's also you can. This is also a very very amazing hashtag. This is also video to teach you how you can get the hashtag, because hashtag is something like my YouTube has something like similar YouTube and Google and something like the keyword. You don't have and maybe you have and maybe some of the hashtag that you can have more people that you can reach your target audience. If you have very good high quality hashtag, this also Philips will teach you how you can find this hashtag and finally and posting and Philips will teach you how you can post your everything. You have the logo, you have the contact, you have the hashtag, and Philips will teach you how you can post on your Instagram. Other than that, you can also have the different upgrader. You can also do different upgrader 1, 2, 3, 4. This also have included 7 upgrader. But this is also what you will get inside the members area. Also, I will reveal to you what are the price and upsell and better. Please stay with me. Okay, let's take a look at what is the price and upsell as well. Just for the front end is $12.95. Also, when you exit the pop-up, they will have a 50% discount. That's also you can $8.95 just for $10. That is also you can have the secret hack how you can use the free traffic from Instagram just to follow this program just for $10. That's no brainer. Option number 1 is 10x traffic hack, $27, $70. You will get my exact hashtag that Philips used to boost 10x his traffic with no traffic effort. If you don't want to do this for the search about which hashtag, you can also exactly to copy the Philips exact hashtag. That is also you can get more than traffic 10x your traffic. This also I highly recommend you can do it for you. Option number 3 is done for you the package $37, $27. That is what you will get. You will get a 13 of Philips top poster with at least 100,000 views. That's also you can get that's also you can get the bottom 1,000 of views with no effort. This you will wonder how you can get about 10,000, 100,000 views. You should have more views on your poster. That's all you can get more target traffic, and also they will follow your Instagram become your Instagram follower. That's also you can become maybe you can use it later to and increase your Instagram follower. That's also I highly recommend you to grab it up. You could grab the done for you $27. Upsell number B is 10K month 嘅 automation $37 $27嘅 upsell downsell 啦。There's also you can steal 嘅 Philips 嘅 exact campaign funnel you can duplicate his exact 嘅 result 啦。There's also you can duplicate exact funnel, exact swipe and exact 嘅result 啦。$27. There's also I highly recommend you to grab the upsell number 1 啦。And the 10x traffic ad $70 done for you $27. Copy and Philips 嘅 top 30嘅top post and 10K 嘅 monthly automation $27 still their exact campaign exact funnel, swipe and result Option number 4 is resell why that's also $97, $47. You can sell it and keep 100% commission Option number 5 is 10K buyers in 24 hours $97, $47. 但係Philips will get 10K 嘅 10K buyers in 27 with a very secret 嘅 hack if you want to and how you can tap into buyer traffic in 24 hours you can also to grab it $47 嘅 downsell Option number 6 hands off $97, $67 is also you can give you Philips to give you his exact source to how he basically let his Instagram number 1 on autopilot. There's also you can they will have get follower list and sell no matter where you are if you want to and everything is hand off everything is automation you can get this and option number 6 hands off $67 嘅 downsell you will get automate everything is automated for your Instagram to get your follower list and sales that's also you can sit back and also to and get sale is also what I highly recommend you can also to grab the option number 6 option number 7 152,000 views in 48 seconds $67 $37 Philips used one piece of content and duplicated this 3 times to give him 30 times more result in less than 60 seconds and that means you will get about 100,000 views with this second there's also maybe something higher there's also the $67 or $37 per downsell there's also you can see the sales page you pick up this also you pick up on the seller but in my opinion I highly recommend you to grab the option number 1 10x traffic tax $70 because you will have exact tax tag you will 10x your traffic done for you option number 2 $27 you will get about 13 of Philips the top product top poster with 100,000 views and option number 3 automation is also you can accept steal them and Philips accept campaign accept funnel accept swipe and accept result this also I highly recommend you grab the option number 1 2 3 with their downsell $70 $27 and $27 this also up to you There's also if you get the upsell up front you will get my 9 exclusive bonus but if you pick up any downsell and upsell this also I highly recommend you can get the upsell number 1 2 and 3 because you will have both you will wait and you will save your time and also to explode your result and you will get my list follower list and sales and also you will accept copy the Philips and Philips and how you can automate you have to set your automation for the Instagram followers Instagram and movement there's also you can other than that you will get an upsell you do get any upsell and downsell you can get also my 8 OTO bonus if you pick up any upsell and downsell That's also what you will get Also, thanks for taking time to check out my pocket profit review and bonus. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smash the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. As a reminder, and you can when you want to get all my exclusive bonus, simply click the link below in the description. The first link will come to this bonus page. When you come to this bonus page, when you press any blue button, and you will redirect to the sales page. When you press this any yellow button, and you will get all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the wallet before the countdown timer hits 0. And this also when you press the purchase detail, and you can see the little blue box. When you press this blue box, you will get all my exclusive bonus. There's also this a reminder. So thanks for taking time to check out my and pocket profit review and bonus. And also don't forget to check my description below to grab your freebie. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.